What's up, guys? Welcome to this iBUYPOWER PC unboxing. As always, leave a like and subscribe down below for more videos like these. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So before I actually do the real unboxing, I gotta start with some system features. It includes some Windows 10, an Intel i7-1070F processor, 16 gigabyte system memory for advanced multitasking, and a 48 gigabyte solid state drive SSD, and a 1 terabyte SSD for blend of storage and space, speed, and everything else you need. Also comes with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 2070 Super graphics with 8 gig. Now that we've got the specs out of the way, we can go into the unboxing. Nice iBUYPOWER gaming keyboard. I think it's pretty cool. Got my MPET keyboard down there. It's like 30 bucks, so it's not that bad. I have the mouse. It's pretty cool looking. It's got 2 buttons. Got a nice scroll wheel. This is an iBUYPOWER mouse. It's got some RGB lighting and an adjustable DPI. Okay. Alright, quick start guide. I'm not going to read it. We're gonna get to see the top button. So it's got it's on button here, and it's got USBs, and got microphone and headphone jacks here. I'll show you the back in a minute. Alright, what does this do? Is this supposed to be plugged in? I think I got it all. I'm not sure about what this is. Comment down below if you think if you know what this is, please. They have to put this on here? Really? Come on, guys. It's really unnecessary. Maybe for first timers like me, but it's super annoying. Yeah, so I need to. Crud. Okay, it's. Gosh darn. I'll be right back. So yes, what you just saw me stressing about was the fact that there was a sticker on the glass pane that wasn't coming off as easy as I had hoped. It was leaving marks and leaving that white paper that annoys everyone. So I found that what worked for me was taking some lemon oil. Rubbing alcohol will probably work in some instances, but it didn't work for this one, so I had to use lemon oil. It came off pretty cleanly. I can't really see the marks anymore, but if you are looking into buying any type of PC, you're probably going to want to leave the case as nice as looking as possible, so when taking it off or rubbing off the sticker, try not to rub too hard, as you might leave scratches, and I don't think anybody in their right mind would want to leave scratches on a brand new PC. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. Now let's turn this bad boy on. I got it all set up, I think. Ooh. Nice. Now while we wait, I think I'm gonna pick up the camera here. I'm gonna take a moment to admire these fans here. So that just about wraps up my video for today. I'm going to thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful for your 2021 buying, or if you're still buying for Christmas, because this is going to be uploaded before Christmas, I think. So please, as always, leave a like and subscribe down below. And to help us out, comment what you think about the video, and consider turning on post notifications so that you can know whenever we have videos out for you to watch. See you guys in the next one. Ian out.